Hi everyone. Let's start with the hard truth. Pitch acceptance is not random. It's not luck, it's not favoritism, and it's definitely not about who writes the prettiest email. Some pitches gets accepted because they align with how journalists think. Today, we are breaking down why. The first one is we need to understand that journalists are decision makers under pressure. When a journalist opens your pitch, they are not thinking, is this person impressive or not? They are actually thinking, does this help my current story? Can I use this quickly? Does this make my article stronger? Is this worth my time? They are filtering fast. So, accepted pitches usually do one thing well, which is they reduce effort. The first factor is about perfection beating alignment. Accepted pitches feel tailored, rejected pitches feel broadcasted. If a journalist covers fintech and you pitch them about a wellness startup, it doesn't matter how good the company is. There's no alignment, so there will be no acceptance. Successful pitches always show that I understand what you cover. That alone increases your chances dramatically. The second factor is clear, usable angle. The biggest mistake in pitching is describing instead of positioning. Let me give you an example of a pitch which can be rejected. It starts with, we launched a new AI platform. Let me give you another example, which is of an accepted pitch that starts with something like, why 70% of AI tools fail in enterprise adoption and what we learned. So you see the difference, right? The accepted pitch is not an announcement like the one that is rejected. It's more of a story. So journalists don't need updates, they need angles, they need stories, they need your insights. The more story ready your pitch is, the easier it is for them to say yes to your pitch. The third factor is specificity over vague claims. Accepted pitches are always and always specific. They include real numbers, clear examples, concrete insights, strong takeaways, and rejected pitches are filled with innovative, revolutionary, disruptive things. Specific details reduce cognitive effort, whereas vague language increases doubt, and doubt leads to silence. Next factor is credibility signals. Journalists protect their reputation. If they quote you, they are endorsing you. So they look for proof. Proof of is your quote or have you been quoted before? Do you have the relevant expertise? Is your LinkedIn active? Does your website look credible and legitimate? You don't need to be famous to get your pitch accepted, but you do need to look credible. Authority lowers risk, and low risk increases acceptance. The next factor is timing. Sometimes a pitch is good, but the timing is wrong. Accepted pitches often connect to breaking news, industry shifts, recent reports, seasonal trends. When your pitch feels urgent, it moves to the top of the inbox. When it feels evergreen, it gets postponed. And postponed usually means forgotten. The next factor is low friction. This is subtle but very powerful. Accepted pitches make it easy to move forward. They include a short, clear summary, a few bullet insights, a quick bio, availability for interview. They don't require follow up emails just to clarify basics. They remove obstacles, and humans say yes faster when there's less friction. Now, let me also discuss something rather a very important question, which is why some pitches get rejected. They get rejected not because they are terrible, but because they feel mass sent, or maybe the focus is too much on the company, they lack a story angle, the pitch is badly timed, it creates extra work for the journalist, and it doesn't stand out. Most no's are about misalignment, not the quality. However, Quality do play a major role, but it is also about misalignment. There's also another thing called big pattern, which is when you analyze accepted pitches, you'll notice something that the accepted pitches don't try to impress or try to fit in. They fit the beat, they fit the timing, they fit the story gap, and they fit the journalist's need. So, the better the fit, the faster the yes. If you want more accepted pitches, stop asking, how can I make this sound better? Rather, start asking, does this make the journalist's job easier? Because the best pitches don't demand attention, they deserve it. And when alignment, clarity, credibility, and timing meet, acceptance stops feeling unpredictable. It becomes engineered. So, what do you think about this? If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments down below, and I will catch you in the next one. Thank you.